Day 94 today, so back on the diet, which is good, man. It changes everything. So I had three bacon medallions, an egg, and some sourdough bread with some butter. Then meal two, I had these 5 chicken wings, air fried with some veg. And then I had a snack in between. I had 30 grams of cashews and a protein shake. And then last meal was a steak with some jacket potato and a little bit of butter. All in came to 2,252 calories. And yeah, man, it was good day. I got the steps in, so that's good as well. And that's a day done, man. There'll just be steps for the rest of the week. Let's go.